Hello friends, this is day 14 of English speaking challenge. So friends, today's video I will share with you some special topics. So friends, first of all I want to say that this is day 14 of English speaking challenge. As you all know, I start this channel because of English because I want to learn how to speak English fluency. So friends, to speak English is very important to practice every day. So before 13 days, before 14 days, I start this channel and this is day 14 of English speaking. So friends, what I will talk about you in this video. So friends, let's discuss about it. So friends, in today's video I will share about my college journey. So friends, how I think to take admission in college and what I am doing in my college. So friends, as you all know, I also told you in my previous video what I am doing in the college, but today I also want to talk about my college journey and what I am currently doing in my college in this video. So friends, I did my 12th class from SRKIC Inter College, which is near from my house, and normally I got 72% in my 12th class, and after this I take admission in IFTM University, which is near from my house. So friends, which course I pursue that I want to told will share you I will share with you. So friends, I take my admission in BTech Computer Science branch. So friends, now currently I am in third year. So friends, I got 62 CGPA in my first year, and then second year when I came in second year, then I got 72% in my second year now, and now my third year is continue. So friends, my paper is coming. I think the paper will happen 15 December, from 15 December to 5 to 5 January. So friends, I I will try to get good marks in my coming exam because good marks is also important for for a good future. So friends, I will try to give my best and 100%. But in my whole year, in my this year, I not go. I not go continue. I not go in my college because in third year the students is not coming to study. Everyone doing self study because nobody is coming to the college. So I am also not going now. And nowadays I am also not going in this year. I not go even a single day. I am doing self study. So friends, I am study from the YouTube and other platforms. So I am not going college in this year even a single day. But I did try to get good marks in my upcoming exams. The exams is starting from the 15 December to 5 January. So friends, this is my college journey, and I want to become a web developer in future, because the future in web development is bright and good. So I want to make a web developer. So what would what we will do to make a good web developer? So friends, everyone wants to a good future and become a successful person in his life. I am also want the same. So friends, I choose the site of web development. So friends, in this we creates in this site we creates the web sites, as all you are using, as like Google, Instagram, and YouTube, and many more, as like Facebook and etc. So friends, this is all websites, and who develops this websites, they calls web developer. So friends, I want to make a web developer. So friends, to do good in this field, you must learn about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is three pillars of web development. So friends, currently I am learning HTML, and after this I will learn about CSS, and in the ending I will learn about the JavaScript. So friends, this is what I am doing now, and about me, what I am doing now, and what is my future plan, I told you. So friend, the I take the what I also want to told you that why I take the English speaking challenge. What was the reason behind it? So friends, the reason of English speaking. So friends, the reason is behind it is that nowadays company the the whole companies hired which person who can speak English fluently and without any mistake. So if anyone want to become a good web developer and want to crack a good company, so he should to know about English, how to speak English, and what is the rules of English, uh, and easily done deal in English, can deal in English. So friends, I also I my the reason is also this, I want to become a web developer. So English is very must to become a good web developer. So friends, if you want to become a good web developer, you can also make a good web developer. What you have to done to do this, I would suggest you should first of all you take admission in BTech, and after this you can easily make a good web developer. So friends, this is my journey about my college and what I am doing currently. So friends, in my future I have no idea what I can do what I can do perfectly, but I am exploring web development. If it is suit me, then I will go for this long time. So friend, you can also make a good web developer if you give your 100%, and if you do hard work. So friends, uh, as I told you, you can make easily, and you can do everything if you have a good aim and clean mindset. So friends, if you also want to speak English, you can also speak without any mistakes. What you should to do this, I will suggest you that you normally speak every day from your mouth. If you do this for a long time, for a month, and for sometimes, you definitely get the success, and you definitely understand about the English language. This is my day 14 of English speaking, and now I am feeling confident to speak English. But I have also hesitation. I have also hesitation, and I am also making the mistakes. But I don't care about the mistakes, but because mistakes are the first steps of learning. When you not do the mistake, you can't learn anything. So mistakes are very important to learn something new. So friends, I am also doing mistakes, but no problem. And I am shooting video every day, and I I not get views in my video. You can easily see my previous video, there is no views. Maximum views is 4 in my one video. But I don't care about him, because my perspective and my motivation is not get the views. My motivation and my perspective and my English reason is something different of views, because I am not uploading this video that I will that I could get the views. No, this is not reason. Only reason behind it that I I can I can easily I could easily face any person who speaks, who knows a better English. I can easily stand in front of that pupil. So this is the reason why I want to learn and speaking English, and why I am studying and try to speak English. This is only a single reason, because English is very important nowadays. Everywhere you go, everywhere you can easily see person who speak English comfortably. But when you try to speak front of him, your brain goes blank, and you feel like I am dumb person, and I have no no knowledge about anything. So friend,